Unprecedented snowfall blankets Eastern Australia, the 5th of August, 2025. Eastern Australia experienced its heaviest snow since the mid-1980s, with up to 40 centimetres 16 inches falling in northern New South Wales. Snow even reached parts of Queensland, a rare occurrence, happening for the first time in a decade. The snowstorm combined with rain and thunderstorms. Over 1,455 incidents reported to emergency services. More than 200 vehicles stranded. Power and mobile outages across affected regions. Major flood warnings, with evacuations underway in New England. Snow Info Credit, MSN. Thank you for watching.